Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and signing in. Make sure your Samsung is updated and connected to Wi-Fi because large uploads use data. Once done, install OneDrive from the Galaxy Store or Play Store. Open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account. This links your device to cloud storage. If you use a work or school account, choose the proper tenant when prompted. Make sure notifications and background permissions are allowed so OneDrive can sync continuously. Once signed in, configure sync and backup so files move automatically. Tap Settings, enable camera upload and pick whether to upload on Wi-Fi only or include mobile data. This controls costs and speed. Next, choose which folders to sync, add documents, screenshots, and app folders like WhatsApp images. Adjust upload quality to balance space and fidelity. Finally, confirm background activity and battery optimization exceptions to keep sync running. These steps prevent halted uploads when the phone sleeps. Finish by using and sharing files, and know one key fix if things go wrong. Open documents directly in OneDrive or access them from Samsung Files through cloud integration. Once opened, tap Share to create a link or set Edit/View permissions. Mark files for offline use before flights. If sync stops, the most common fix is to check app permissions, available OneDrive storage, and account status. Sign out and sign back in to force a rescan. That usually restores sync promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.